Do you remember what happened last time?
I know.
It's a gray. In the drunken days. Were you drunk? Were you drunk?
I don't remember.
So he was standing on that thing.
Did you really?
On that thing.
Dude, why is it so hard? It's like a challenge, dude. Every time I
this thing. Woo! Super fast zoom out! Oh, anyways.
Did you do like a Chinese movie?
What?
Where you like get closer to something but then zoom out? Or how do you do that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm
Anyways, he's on this thing.
Dude, alright, hurry up and talk about this because I have something.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the grain of the wood. Oh my god.
We should make a Chinese fighting movie, dude.
And then he almost fell. He cut himself
do you have any, like,
and almost killed himself.
Dude,
I wish we had firecrackers. We could like put those little things and play war.
Dude, what is with your face? Why do you have to make faces when you talk? Weird, dude.
Okay. Hello, all you folks out there. Whoa. That's freaking me out, dude. Looking at my own face.
Oh, Jesus, yawns again.
But it's like delayed. Like I make a face and it happens like half a second later.
Dude, that's because it's fucking taping you. I feel like I need something right now. I don't know if it's a cigarette. It might be a blowjob, dude. That might be what it Dude, it looks like there's something coming out of the center of your chest.
It's a video camera! Look at this fool. Look at this fool.
Stop filming, dude. Please stop.
Whoa. I don't know if you can see this.
How long is that video by now?
I don't know, but that's the moon.
Half an hour.
That's the moon.
Dude, I'll be right back. I left my phone downstairs.
Oh, whoa. You get all close up and personal with the moon. Except you can't really see what it is. Which is bunk. It just looks like a dot in the sky when you're on the camera. On that thing. Fucking crazy! Hey ho are ya? Hey ho are ya? Hey ho are ya? What? Wow. And it's back. Back to where it started. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.